This is what real learning looks like before graduation day. This video is long overdue, but I kept it for the best day. A moment of laughter, a moment of joy, a moment of learning. Throwing it back on my students' graduation day on the 30th of October 2025. They started with zero confidence. Today is their final project. They learned the basic, they practice every day, they build confidence. Starting off with Odinaka. Let's get to know her. She's a very ambitious go-getter, very ready to learn at every time, and fun to be with. In fact, she always made class fun because she is very funny. Today I'm saying I am very proud of her because she is one of my students that really took her learning very serious. So we are going to see what she was going to achieve on her final project day. Moving on to Victory. Calm, sweet, loving girl, like you would love to be around her. Very humble to the core, and I would say she really put all her mind to this work, and I'm very glad she really achieved a lot. We are going to see what she's going to do today on her final project. And then Mama Ejima, mother of 4, that said she will learn this skill and learn it very well. She is also very humble. In fact, you will not know she's an Odogu wife. Like, she's so down to earth to learn, and to be honest, I am very proud of what she achieved today. Most people will have students and want their students to leave immediately, but these ones were not the case. As a matter of fact, they have graduated and they are no longer in the store, but I still miss them. I still miss their presence every day, to be honest with you, because there were a whole lot of vibes and hard work. Like, you know, when working with hardworking people, you are energized, and this is exactly what they were giving. From learning the basics to completing their final project, I am so proud of these amazing students. This is what dedication and the right guidance can achieve. If you'd love to be part of my next class, registration is ongoing. Send me a DM or contact me today to secure your spot. I will be dropping my number on the screen. Starting it off with Victory's model. This is what Victory did. She did a double ponytail, and also the hair she's wearing is also part of her final project, because I always tell them to do a braided wig and a frontal installation for their final project. So this is the amazing work she did. Like, guys, are you seeing the melts? Like, look at the hair she's wearing. So perfect. I love you, baby girl. Go and soar. Go and make it. I pray for you. You will get plenty clients with your handwork. The next person on my list is Mommy Ejima, aka Ifoma. Okay, Ifoma, aka Mommy Ejima. So this is what she pulled. Like, this is a beautiful pixie cut wig installation. Like, look at how neat, and see, I'm not even capping. Look at the neatness of this hair now. Look at the one she's wearing. It's part of her final project, and it's so beautiful, guys. The amazing part is how neat their jobs are, and I am proud of you. I pray this work will bring millions for you. I pray for more success in your hands. Your hands are blessed. And then the last person is Odinaka. Look at this beauty. God, look at the beauty of this hair. You will not know that this hair is a hair blend. If I tell you that this hair is an SDD, of course you are going to believe. Look at the one she's wearing on her head, and tell me that you're not proud of these girls. Like, they made me proud. There's like, you guys are the real MVPs now. I am praying for you. More jobs, more works. In fact, anywhere you see my girls, I beg, give them work. Like, give them work, I am proud of them. Go and soar. The sky is your starting point. God bless you for choosing Lorenzi. Bye.